Hello, everybody. This is just a quick unboxing of some Nintendo Switch games. Hope everybody had a great holiday. GameStop had a crazy sale on Switch games, and I picked up 2 copies for about $26 a piece, which is unheard of for Nintendo Switch games. Now, there were some rumors going around that some of these games were not new, that GameStop was shipping out used copies, so I figured I'd get it all on film just to make sure I didn't get screwed over. But yeah, I picked up Paper Mario and Breath of the Wild because I heard those are really good games. Never played Paper Mario, never played Zelda, like ever, not even on all previous consoles, so they do come sealed.